NDNPS court Imphal today sentenced 2 convicts in the Rs 27 crore drug seizure case to 15 years in jail. Former ADC chairman Lukhosai Jau was recently acquitted by the court in the case. Prime Minister Narendra Modi today flagged off the country's first ever fully automated driverless train service on the Mazanta line of the Delhi Metro. With the commencement of this new generation trains, the Delhi Rail Met Corporation has entered the elite league of 7% of world's metro networks, which can operate services without drivers, according to DMRC. Consumer Affairs, Family and Public Distribution Minister Thokchom Satyabrata today kicked off a 2-day Mandal-level training at Castle Hotel, Govindaji Temple Road. The training program is organized by Bharatiya Janata Party, Imphal Central District, Manipur Pradesh. A 2-day dry run of the coronavirus vaccine immunization drive to assess the readiness of the mechanism let out for the coronavirus inoculation drive starts today in 4 states of Punjab, Assam, Andhra Pradesh and Gujarat. Media reports said that the exercise will include necessary data entry in co-win and online platform for monitoring of the coronavirus vaccine delivery, testing receipt and allocation, deployment of team members, mock drill of session sites with test beneficiaries. India reported 20,021 new COVID-19 cases in the last 24 hours, taking the country's total tally past 1.02 crore. Of the total cases, 2.77 lakh cases are currently active, while over 97.82 lakh people have recovered. With 279 deaths reported yesterday, the death toll now stands at over 1.47 lakh. Social worker Thongam Shanti, in association with Moirang Kendra Progressive Front, MPF, presented blankets to the street vendors of Moirang constituency today. Vendors of Pubala, Naran Saina, Sunu Sipai, Tronglaubi, Kudekpi and Tidim received the blankets. The BJP had a clean sweep in Arunachal Pradesh civic body polls, and the national president of the party, JP Nadda, has thanked the people of the state for the victory. According to media reports, in the Gram Panchayat polls, out of 8,215 seats, results for 7,717 seats were declared. Just a day before the forecast by the Weather Department, cold wave knocked in Delhi, with the temperature falling by 1 to 2 degrees Celsius in Delhi and the other parts of northern India. According to India Meteorological Department IMD, the minimum temperature has fallen by 1 to 2 degrees Celsius over Punjab, Haryana and Delhi, and by 3 to 5 degrees Celsius over Rajasthan in the last 24 hours. A 2-day L. Jangam Baite Memorial Volleyball Tournament for men and women kick off today at Hygiene Cafe Playground of JH Bazang Village. 8 teams are participating in the tournament. BJP Kishan Morcha Vice President Thanglan Haukip graced the opening ceremony. Then Khol Hing Memorial Striker clashed with NMS Langkichoy team in the first match today. Nunmati Manipuri community of BP Chaliha Nagar, Bamuni Maidam, United Manipur Association, Assam and All Assam Yoga Mahasangha felicitated famed Grandmaster Bicham Kumar Singha today. Bicham Kumar Singha is a national and international awardee.